Hello! Don't you have anything to do? Why not learn how to play the recorder? My name is Astrid and in my videos you can learn how to play the recorder. First, let me tell you something about me. So I am Astrid and I live in the Netherlands. You know, in Europe, a little bit on the north, the country of the windmills. And the cheese and the tulips. Yes, I have tulips in my garden. Well, when it's tulip time, which is in spring. And the country of wooden shoes. The Netherlands is the country where everybody has a bike, and that's right, I have a bike and I really like to ride my bike. And I also play the recorder, and because I live in the Netherlands I have here a recorder made by the Dutch recorder maker Jacqueline Sorel. It's a Baroque fingering, so I play the F like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, and I play the F sharp like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. In this tutorial you can learn to play the round row, row, row your boat. It's a two-part round, so you can play it with two people or sing it with two groups, whatever you like. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. I like the lyrics. In this song you only need 6 notes. And they are D, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. F sharp, 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And if you have a recorder with a German fingering, just add number 7. We also need the G, 0, 1, 2, 3. We also need the A, 0, 1 and 2. And the top D, just 0. Make sure your thumb is in the air. You only have to do this one. Don't put it under the 0 hole, but in the air. Okay. Let's start. We start with the first line, row, row, row your boat. It starts on the D, 3 times the D, 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 D. Then go to E for a very short time and then right to F sharp. D, 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 E, F sharp. D, 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 E, F sharp. F sharp, maybe you want to practice that a little. Just repeat the fingering and you can add a little rhythm. And then start on the beginning. Well, we've done that, then we go to gently down the stream. F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A. And the rhythm is long, short, long, short, long. Make sure your tongue moves at the right moment together with your fingers. The whole first line, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. go to the second line and it starts with merrily, 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 merrily. The notes are top D, A, F sharp, D. Actually, those notes are the notes of the chord that comes with D major. Well, what's very nice is if you practice it, you can flip the notes from this chord around. So you can add a little joy to your practicing. Merrily, 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 like how it goes in the song. Make sure your tongue moves 3 times. Do, 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 do. And then comes the last bit. Life is but a dream. It starts on the A and goes down to the D. A, G, F sharp, E, D. A, G, F sharp, E, D. If you play it without this rhythm, or the other way around, well, I like to play a little bit with the notes. I'm going to play the whole song. Maybe you like to play it with me, or you would like to play it with me in a round. So start at the right moment. You start when I play merrily, merrily, merrily. You start at the beginning. Are you ready? Here we go. I waited for you to finish the song when we played it in a round. Yes! Well, I hope you liked this video, this tutorial, and please let me know, give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe to my channel. I also have a Dutch channel and that goes about recorder playing. And I always end with the phrase, je hoeft je nooit meer te vervelen als je blokfluit kunt spelen. Translation, you have never to be bored again if you know how to play the recorder. And like good Dutch customs, I put it on a tile. Tada! Here it is. Je hoeft je nooit meer te vervelen als je blokfluit kunt spelen. So you also can learn a little bit of Dutch in my videos. I wish you luck and very much fun with playing and practicing row your boat. Let me know how it went. Like my video, give a like, of course, and subscribe and leave a comment. I see you later. Bye!